Let's go with the mailings. Mailings is another important part of Microsoft Word. By the way, I tell you always, it's very important. It's very critical. And really, to be honest, that is really true. And it is important. Okay, each part of Microsoft Word is important, especially mailings, because you can create automatic list and automatic envelope and labels for anyone, or maybe not little envelopes or labels. You can create anything. Okay, you can use this in exam paper as well. You can use this with anything that's it's automatic, needs to be automatic names, and that's all about it. Okay, at first we're gonna create a list for ourselves. Okay, I'm gonna go with this. I love to teach you in my way. Okay, my method is a little bit different. In this mailings, we're gonna start with the list, because the mailing is about people, so we're gonna type people's name first, and then once we're done, we can go with the envelopes, labels, or anything we wanted. But particularly, we're gonna go with these things. So I'm gonna go in here, type a new list, or if you have some existing lists, so you can type as well. You can also choose from Outlook contact. So for now, we're gonna choose from type a new list. We're gonna click in here. So it says title. We don't want a title, so we're gonna edit customize. We're gonna just only want we want only really the name, first name, and last name, not company name. So we don't want a company name right now. We don't want an address line. We want really address line. We want city. We want only one address, we want to just have general address. Okay, let's see. And then we are gonna go to city. We're gonna choose that city. We're gonna choose a state and the country. We're gonna delete it. By the way, I'm gonna delete it because to work better. Okay, it to use less time. Zip code should be there. So there you go. Happy birthday. So we're gonna send a envelope of happy birthday to these guys. Okay, it says the first one is John Doe, for example, and his address is, for example, let's see, New York. Okay, I'm gonna choose New York, and then again New York. So all that should be New York. Okay, so for that, sorry. Okay, and then zip code, for example, 2. That's the zip code. And add a new entry. So we're gonna add a new entry. Again, it says happy birthday. This should one be a Tom Gates. Again, it should be San Francisco. Yeah, Francisco. Okay, San Francisco. Okay, I'm gonna copy, paste to save time. Now this is gonna be the zip code. I'm gonna hit tab again. Happy birthday. And we're gonna type the name. For example, let's say we're gonna type Jim, and then we're gonna type his name like Jobs. What's the address name for that? Let's see. I'm gonna say North America. I know it's very general address. North America. So that's it. We're typed already, and we know how to do it, how to really add it in here. Okay, so we're gonna hit OK, and then it says where do you want to save it. For example, we want to save at my data resource, or you can also save for somewhere else. But for now, let's say a happy birthday to this part. I'm gonna hit save. So there you go. We saved the data. As you save the data, this button will be available, so you can click again, and you can see the people's name that's showing up. And for now, you can see this doesn't have zip code, so we're gonna click on it. We're gonna edit that. Okay, we're gonna say we're gonna click in here. We're gonna edit and type the zip code for this, And then we're gonna hit OK. Yes, so this is updated, right? Okay. So we have a lot of things in here to cover. For example, it can go with envelopes, or it can go with labels of envelope. Okay, sending email, so you'll need a label. Sending email, so you'll need an envelope. And then you can start merging with email message, envelopes, all of that in here possible. But I love to go with the finish and merge because it's about you really merge all of that. And anytime you can go with address block, all of that is available in here as well for you, like greeting line, insert merge line, rules, highlight merge fields as well. So we're gonna go with envelopes. Let's click in here. It's an envelope. So delivery address, and then it says delivery address in here. You can also go with this. So delivery address at electric postage. You can also do that, but it needs internet connection. So this is the envelopes labels. Right now we're gonna add to the document. So let's click. So this is it. We add it, and then there's a text on it as well. So we're gonna also add a labels. So we don't need labels for now. So this is the address line, and we're gonna add insert merge. So it should be 2, for example, 2. This guy, we're gonna have address, and then we're gonna say the city, and then we're gonna type the city, and then we're gonna type the state, and then we're gonna type the what's that? We're gonna type the name, for example. Sorry, the zip code. And then once we're done in here, we can also use text box in order to say happy birthday, for example. Let's do that as a quick draft way. I'm gonna go in here, shapes. Okay, I'm gonna come in here. Okay. I'm gonna edit this as well and add there his name. So we're gonna go with mailings. I know this is not a perfect example, but you got my idea. So let's go with here. First name. Yeah, first name, this one. Okay, 2. Alright, oops. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna make it a little bit bold. Okay, make it bold. Right now, it doesn't change anything. Okay, it's fine. So right now, we're gonna add a greeting line. Dear Mr. and that. Okay, dear sir, madam. Dear Joe. So, dear happy birthday. So, dear shouldn't do dear, and then there should be name, and then there should be coming out like that. Because of that, we don't want to do that. Dear to, yeah, dear happy birthday Jobs. So it doesn't sound good enough from here. So we're gonna add our own, don't worry. Dear, and then the name of the person should come up. Okay, let's go with this one. Insert dear first name. And then we're gonna say happy birthday. So we're gonna add a title. And then I'm gonna bring it to the center, making it really to making it no shape fail, no shape outline, and that's it really for now. And making it really large, and then bring it to the center, and then changing the fonts to Assistant Mirabee or some other font. Now it's done. Okay, we didn't see anything yet. I'm gonna choose this one also. All of that is Assistant Media. Okay, we didn't see anything yet, but we will see it once we really add it. Okay, I could add also this one in here. Okay, so that's it. Okay, we added already. I can move this also up a little bit upper. Okay, so we're gonna go with mailings right now, and to see all this works, we can also preview a result. We can click in here and says to Jim North America, this zip code. Dear Jim, happy birthday. I can go with next example. So that's called envelope, okay? You can do this with labels and all of that. At the end of the day, you can finally merge all of this. You can print all of this. You can email message them to everyone, to everything you wanted. You can send email to, okay, and then it's subject, there's mail format, and there's send record. All of that is available for you in here to do with the mailing.